What's up, guys? Down to Adventure Have Passion. Back today doing another video, and we got 4 packages and some more coming later in this video. But yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. This one I already opened. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. I think that's everything in there. Yeah, and then we got a filter, transmission filter. You should all know what that's for. I've already unboxed other parts for that one. We're gonna go ahead and cut these ones off. Alright. Oh, we got those open. A little funky, but we got 20 feet of chain. We got 2 rolls of 10 right here. 420 chain. Mini bike chains get pretty old. And Josh keeps breaking his off, so we're got new ones for him. And then, you know, Autolite racing spark plugs. Also for the mini bikes, Predator 212s racing spark plugs, 8 of them. You know, because you can never have enough. You're all like, why haven't I got to these? No, just wait. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe that's gonna start ringing on that bell. Let me open this box. Maybe you know what that is. Maybe you don't. Boom. Oh, it's got the nuts. That's weird. But we got 4 battery adapters and 4 little 7-inch light bars for the mini bikes. We are going to be putting lights on 4 mini bikes. We're going to jump into another part of this video, and we're going to show you where all this crap goes. Alright guys, so we are back for revealing where we're going to put things. And also, I have been riding this mini bike a lot, and we're having torque converter problems. I'll show that in a second. So it's all taken apart. But we're going to be putting a light bar on this one. I haven't exactly 100% decided where I want to put it. Probably here-ish, just a little higher. And then this one is going to be getting built eventually. It's got the little 79cc or 97cc. I don't know, a little tiny 3-horse engine on it. It's another stock Baja Blitz. I actually have 3 of those frames because this one and this one, can't really tell just because it's muddy and it's painted over, are the same frames. This one's obviously modified. And yes, so this one's going to be getting a light bar. This one's going to be getting a light bar. That is the nice little beater bike. But also, we're going to go over here. But also this one's Tanner's bike. This one's going to be getting a light bar. And then also Josh's, the big Baja one. These 3 are really small bikes. And then he has a regular full-size adult bike is going to be getting a light bar. These doodle bugs are probably going to all get it in the same spot. Don't 100% know. Yes, we will have that more decided later. We have made plans, which I will reveal later when we are building them, of where we're going to put everything. But yes, and then also for this video, we're going to clean all of these torque converters and we're going to rebuild them. I have parts coming on the way. This spring's like the least bad of them all. Little cockeyed. I don't think it really needs a new spring. I'm going to keep that one. But, you know, I'm here. I might as well just do them all. So, and then also the springs in the driver pulley. Going to rebuild everything. We're just going to replace the springs. And then on this one, I believe it is. Nope. This. Oh, it's on the other side of this one. Yeah. This one needs new buttons. As you can tell, they're freaking destroyed and retarded. So it's getting new buttons. The rest of them are just getting springs. So that one's getting buttons and springs. But yes, we're gonna jump into the time lapse of cleaning these up. We're also gonna take them to Keith's shop and use parts cleaner. They're gonna soak in those. Not obviously the ones with the buttons, because that'll just eat the buttons. But yes, we're gonna jump in the time lapse. Alright guys, doing a little bit of an update, and the torque converter that was actually on here was just extremely dirty. I mean, look at this. Yeah, dirty. So I just cleaned it up, and it actually works really well. Like, at least the spinning, it spins well. So we're going to put it back on and go for a rip and see how it works. And then I'm going to take the rest of these stuff and take it to Keith's shop and just use their shop cleaner so I don't have to use all the carb clean. So yeah, we'll jump back into the time lapse. Alright, so this has been a really weird video, but I'm doing another little section part. I'm going to rebuild these torque converters and everything in here. I got all the parts right there. So, yeah, we're going to jump to the time lapse. Alright, hopefully put both springs to the front and the rear. Check your buttons. Buttons aren't like super important. It's more your springs. And get a new belt. My belt is starting to fray. It has not broke yet, but I'm just going to throw a new belt in anyways. Do it all at once and don't have a problem. It's really cheap. You can get those bearings on Amazon for cheap. Get the rebuild kits on all the go-kart places, Go Power Sports, BMI Karts, and stuff like that. So just rebuild all that. Hopefully you enjoyed though. That's just my tip for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.